Good morning, y'all. Today, magta-travel kami papuntang Baguio. And
Morning! Baguio!
Baguio today. 4 to 5 hours drive, right?
Yeah.
Mhm. All right, ready na kami. Our bags are packed and we're ready to roll. So, um, i-resume natin yung recording pag nandun na tayo sa Victory. Dito kami kasi sasakay sa Victory Pasay kasi yun yung mas malapit dito sa amin. Anywho, later show. Good morning y'all. So nakarating na kami dito sa Victory Liner Terminal sa Pasay City. Ayan sila. Start yung mga bus mag-line up. Yung binook namin is Royal Class, yung bus sleeper bus. Mag-a-announce na lang daw dun sa lounge kung ready na mag-board. Si Isay nandun sa loob. So, sabi ko saglit lang lalabas lang ako, magre-record lang ako. So ayan, yun yung ganap dito. Pumupwesto na yung mga buses. Merong isang first class yata nalabas na na 5 o'clock din yung departure. Ayan. Yung bus namin wala pa parang siguro poporma pa yun dun sa parang boarding area. Anyway, Joe, mamaya recording ulit pagka paalis na kami. Okay, dokes. Later, Joe. Gusto ko like capture tong isang bus na papaalis. I think yung regular. Ay, yung isa siguro yun yung first class yung nasa likod. Yung sasakyan natin yung Royal Class. Bali yung sleeper bus. Baka nire-ready pa nila. Tinuloy ko lang kasi gusto ko makita niyo yung mga buses na paparating saka yung mga papalis na hindi ko lang. Ito yata papuntang Olongapo po yan. Ito, magbo-board na kami. Papuntang sa bus namin.
Morning po.
Magsa-switch na lang kami ng chair. Ako yung upo sa window.
Yes po.
Ito yung isa. Akit ka na daw, B04.
May luggage po kayo, sir?
Wala naman. Ito lang. Eto na tayo. Hanapin natin ang B04. Ang sikip pala. Teka lang Hindi natin ulitin to, love. Ang hirap pala ng ganito. Yung kahit hindi ako 6-footer, feeling ko 7-footer ako. I mean, I guess so. Pero puno kasi yung babae. Ayun. We'll try this again, I guess. Pabalik hindi na. Ayaw namin ito. This is horrible. Yun. Ayun, nahulog pa. Diba? May pahulog pa siya. Sige. Anyways, ko-continue ko yung recording a little bit because this is really uncomfortable. Ayun. Later siya. Pause lang, pause. Yan. Medyo nakasettle down na kami. I mean, I don't know. Hindi ko na ito ulit gagawin. Okay siya kung sa okay, kaso when you have bags like this na baka ibaba ko na lang to dun sabihin ko dun sa attendant na ilagay na lang dun sa likod para comfortable ako dito, but I mean wala namang nasisira dito or anything sa backpack. We'll see. Yan, yung ibang passenger sa labas hinihintay yung nila, yung bus nila. We are here again sa Victor Liner Pasay. 5:15, magde-depart na tayo. So bits and pieces, magre-record ako doon para ma-document natin yung trip natin all the way to Baguio. Depart na kami, nandito pa rin kami sa Pasay. Sabi nung bus attendant, 4 to 5 hours daw yung travel time. So, magre-record kami along the way. Ayan si Isay. Ayan siya. Ayan. Magre-record kami along the way. Lalo na excited ako kasi hindi pa ako nakakamunta ng Baguio. So, we will see. Time check is 5:26 a.m. Ganito nang kabisi ang mga students, workers, and nature. This is how it is in Manila, yo. If you're watching from other countries, US or any other countries, this is what it looks like early during the day, early in the morning. People wake up, start hustling already. And yung that's the LRT right there. Anyways, y'all, I'll resume the recording mamayang konti. Nag-depart na kami. So, according to the plan, dadating doon ng mga 10:30 to 11. And I think meron kaming isang stopover somewhere. Hindi lang ako sure kung saan. We'll see you later, Manila. Yan yung sunrise. Ganda naman ang view. Oh. Mamaya mas gaganda pa yung view natin dyan. Nandito na tayo yata sa NLEX ba to? Or SLEX, I don't know. Ayun yung sunrise, yo. Good morning, Philippines. Yan, nakikita natin yan. Ay, humarang ulit. Diba? Dito na tayo sa super highway. Kita niyo yung mga dyan, oh. So SLEX yata to. Ayun, yung sunrise. Sana mapakita dito. Ayun. Alright, yo. Continue lang ulit ang ating recording mamayang konti. Pagka medyo maganda-ganda na yung view. Alright, later. Hello y'all, update lang. It is 6:17 a.m. I think nasa na kami, Bulacan. Parang may nakita na akong sign na Bukawi, like 11 kilometers or something, I think. So, ito yung view natin sa labas. Ayan. First time ko ito magta-travel ng bus papuntang north. Lalong-lalo na first time kong pupunta ng Baguio. Excited ako kasi I get to do this with Isay. Si Isay natutulog na dun sa kabila. Ito yung view, ganda. Excited ako. First time to go to Baguio, first time riding a bus going north. Kasi naalala ko when I was younger, yung mga trips namin going north to Nueva Ecija, meron kaming sasakyan. Sasakyan na uncle namin nung nag-van sila. So, yun yung ginagamit namin pag travel kami ng Nueva Ecija. Kaya ngayon, medyo different. Victory Liner Royal Class Sleeper Bus. Medyo inaantok na rin ako. So, magta-try ako mag-sleep. Pag hindi, ang ganda kasi ng mga view kaya parang hirap matulog. Anywho, continue ko na lang yung recording again later. Alright. Hello y'all. Nandito na kami sa Pampanga. And I think if I'm not mistaken, ewan ko nakikita sa camera nandun. Mountain. I think Mount Arayat yata yan. I think. Yeah, I think so. I don't know. According sa tatay ko, sa nanay ko, mami tsaka daddy, meron kami kamag-anak dito sa Pampanga, sa may Lubao at saka Arayan. Anyway, magre-restroom ka. Hintayin mo ako, ha? Magre-restroom lang daw si Isay, sasamahan ko. Okay? Ayan yung Mount Arayan. Anyways, y'all, in all honesty, hindi ko gusto tong sleeper bus na to. I mean, personal preference lang siguro, pero hindi ko gusto. Lalo na pag magre-restroom ka, ang late ng aisle, hirap lumakad. At saka yung pag-akyat dito, kailangan athletic ka eh. Kung mag-anak mo si Tarzan o kaya si Curious George. For someone na medyo a little heavy on the weight, a little heavier, medyo mahirap kasi talagang you have to pull yourself up to get on top. So personally, hindi ko gusto. Nothing wrong with the bus or Victory Line or anything, but it's just a personal preference. I mean, yeah, naka-relax ka, naka-recline to. Well, sa akin, hindi ko ma-recline kasi nasa likod yung backpack ko, nilagay ko doon. But I mean, overall, siguro, it depends on the individual. Meron siguro tao gusto to. Lalo na pagdating sa Baguio, kung mahirap daw ang parking doon. Pero next time babalik kami ni Isay dito, for sure magdadala na kami ng sasakyan. Kasi gusto ko kontrolado pa yung oras ko. I mean, you can stop whenever you want para for food or gumamit ng restroom. So I mean, okay lang tong Victory Royal Class kasi relax ka rin naman. Yun lang yung hassles na siguro once or twice mo lang gagawin, pupunta ka ng restroom. But for a person na frequently nagre-restroom tapos nandito ka sa taas, medyo mahirapan, lalo na pagdating sa age, older lady or older guy, medyo mahirap yung pag-akyat dito. Challenging ba? Pero siguro kung nandun sa baba, maybe it's a different experience. But yet, I prefer to bring sasakyan next time. So that's it. Ayun, nasa Pampanga tayo, I think. Ito yung view natin sa labas. Ganda. Provincial. Yun yung gusto ko. Na pa nag-long drive. Si Daddy. Gusto ito ni Daddy. Ang hilig-hilig ni Daddy na mag-long drive. Gusto niya yung mga views. Kaya every time nag-long drive ako, lagi ko siya naaalala. He passed away last year, March. Kaya ngayon na nag-long drive kami siya, agad yung naaalala ko. Kasi after he passed, normally kami ng mga girls, take kami ng trip sa Texas. Long drive. Pero this time, this past few months, wala kami. Ngayon lang ulit ako, ganito ng long drive. Anyways, nabanggit ko lang yung kay Daddy. Ayun, so, continue recording namin ang konti ulit. I don't know where we are now. Hindi ko kasi familiar. But as far as I think nasa Pampanga kami. Anywho, later, Joe. Hello! Nasa Baguio na kami. Yay! So, saan ang direksyon natin papunta rito? Dito. Sige. Dito daw tayo pupunta. Baguio City, here we are. May tayo dyan. That was less than 5 hours, I think. Yeah, it's just less than 5 hours yung trip. Mga 4.5 hours ganun, 4:45. Nagugutom na kami. So, perhaps mag-Jollibee muna kami para makakain muna. Inside. Tawid daw tayo, tawid. Jollibee. Tara. Tawid, tawid lang. Dito tayo. Malamig-lamig ang weather, but it's nice. I like it. Cold weather, I like it. Ayun. So, nakarating din safely. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for getting us here safely. For now, kakain muna kami. Alright, y'all. Continue namin recording in a little bit. Later, y'all. Hello, y'all. Nandito kami sa SM kasi mamaya pa mag-open yung yung check-in namin 2 o'clock sa Hotel Venice. So, pumunta muna kaming SM. Naglibot-libot muna saglit. And ito yung view namin. Tignan nyo yung view.
University of the Cordillera. It's one of the famous
And I can live here.
school here.
Especially the weather. The weather. I bet the weather. Anyways, mag-order lang kami ng coffee kasi feeling namin mag-coffee kasi para sa kanila malamig na to eh. You know, para sa akin summertime to eh. Anyways, we'll see y'all in a little bit, yeah. Settle down, coffee, have some dessert kasi kakain lang namin sa Jollibee kanina. Hindi na namin na-record yung kasi maraming tao doon. Anywho, we'll catch y'all later. Alright. Ganda ng view, y'all. I think Session Road ata yung baba doon. May mga kainan dun sa baba. The view is nice. Ayun yung chapel. That's the chapel right there. It's a nice view. Ayun. Ganda yung weather. I like the weather here. I think this is the only place in the Philippines that the weather and I agree together at the same time. I enjoy this weather. Very comfortable. Maybe higher 60s, lower 70s. Later on, mag-explore kami ni Isay. Walk around. Enjoy the weather, y'all. I mean, I think this is the best weather in the Philippines. So meron pang cold, yung mga Banawe, ganun malamig din. This one here is perfect for me. Nag-agree ako dito sa weather. Alright, y'all. So ko lang pakita sa inyo yung view from SM City, Baguio. Kikill na lang kami ng time. Later, y'all. Hello, y'all. Nagtambay muna kami dito sa SM as usual. Kanina ka pa na sa recording na ito. So, nagkikill lang kami ng time kasi 2 o'clock pa yung check-in namin. Kaya, nag-hangout muna kami dito sa Mary Grace. Order kami ng coffee at saka mga cake, tiramisu and chocolate cake. Para lang, pang-kill ng time. This is my kind of weather. Ito lang yata yung weather sa Pilipinas, makasundo ko. I mean, tamang-tama yung weather na sa, I think, higher 70s. 78 degrees compared to Texas. Mga ganito, 78 degrees doon. Lower 80s. Or maybe 75, gano'n. I like it. Kanina wala yung mga clouds eh. Ito, kanina wala yun. Roll in na siya. Tapos andyan pa yung famous na college ba to?
At University of the Cordillera. Ganda dyan.
College siya, no? I mean, ganda yung breeze, yung hangin, presko talaga. Tsaka gusto ko yung weather dito.
Ganda dito. Di ko lang sure kung pwede to sa pang frozen shoulder.
Ayo. Hindi, mga ganyang pagkakataon, magagawa na natin yung paraan yan.
Lagi lang nag-hot pang press.
Magano ka na lang, lagi ka na lang mag-sweater. Para, kasi pag malamig yung panahon, sumasakit yung frozen shoulder niya.
Ah,
Nung last time yung frozen shoulder niya nasa left
Left.
side, ngayon,
Nasa
dito
right.
naman. Pero, nagaganon niya nga kanina eh. Naangat na niya.
pero ano, nung nabigla ako,
Oh.
masakit, naiiyak na ako talaga. Yung pagbaba ko dun sa
Hindi na kami
Oh.
ulit, Victory Liner. I'm sorry, man. But your bus sucks. Yung Royal class nyo, it sucks. I mean, like I said, kanina, in-explain ko why we were on the road. If you're a person not 6 foot tall or higher, and you're like a little heavier on the weight side, that bus is not for you.
Yeah.
Even though dun ka sa bottom, doesn't matter. Kasi you're like cramped up. Maliit lang yung space niya.
Yeah.
I mean, you can stretch your legs. I'm 5'7", pero pag stretch ko yung legs ko, almost nandun na sa dulo.
Hindi rin siya ideal for family.
Yeah, hindi siya pwedeng my kids. I mean, if your kids don't mind,
Yeah.
yeah, so, I mean, be my guest. Pero, Victory Liner, sorry, man. But, I'm not calling it out, but hindi lang komportable. It's like I said, it's my personal opinion. Even the sabi ko nga kanina sa recording while we're on the road, yung older couple in front of us, they were having
Yeah.
difficulty
Yes.
to go up. And then even nung nasa baba yung the old, and hindi man old no, but
Yeah,
I mean I think
middle.
she's in her 60s or
Yeah.
something, middle 60s. She was having a hard time to get out from the bottom. So bottom line, kailangan kamag-anak niyo si Tarzan, si Curious George, at saka athletic kayo
Yes.
para ayun, alam niyo, at saka hindi kayo dapat over 6 foot tall. Otherwise, that bus is not for you.
Yes.
Again, thank you for keeping us safe, Victory Liner. Hindi ito sponsored, but
Yeah.
thank you, even though, thank you pa din. Safe and sound kami nakarating din sa Baguio. Till then, yun nga, inintay lang namin yung check-in sa Venice.
And maganda, meron silang stewardess. Every now and then, nag-check siya. Chine-check niya yung yung
Does she?
mga...
Oh, I have my curtains closed the whole time.
Mine kasi half lang siya naka-close.
You didn't close it all the way.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, merong attendant. So,
Every now and again, nag-check siya. Chine-check niya yung mga passengers.
oo, pero ano eh, hindi nila, kasi kasama sa fare yung snacks at saka yung water.
Yes.
But she never gave it away.
Yeah.
I guess they ran out. Anyways, we're just killing time. 2 o'clock yung check-in, but mga siguro 1 o'clock pupunta na kami doon. Maybe the room's ready, we can check in and then drop off our stuff and then maglalamierda na kami ni Isa. Magagala-gala na kami.
Mag-start na kami agad.
Yeah. Anyway, we'll continue it later on. We'll see you again. Welcome to Baguio City, y'all.
Welcome to Baguio.
Baguio City, y'all. That didn't sound right. Baguio City, y'all. Alright. Later, y'all.